In developing news, hundreds of incarcerated people across California are being released after the state judicial council issued an emergency order to reduce jail populations. KSBY's Christina Favuzzi finds out how many inmates have been let out of our local jails and what's being done to keep the community safe.
A ruling that sets bail at $0 for most misdemeanor and low-level offenders is now in effect across California. In San Luis Obispo County, the district attorney's office determined 32 jail inmates qualified for release under the order, but they're fighting for justice and safety.
Of the total 32, we are litigating 23. There were 4 hearings yesterday. We were successful in 3. One was let out, and that's a person that's charged with embezzlement of millions of dollars.
Plus, as of Tuesday morning, 9 inmates convicted of less serious crimes in SLO County like drug possession and petty theft were able to go. Dow's office is looking at the eligible inmates' full rap sheets when considering whether to appeal their release.
A number of the people that were eligible for zero bail had multiple convictions for violent crimes in their past.
Sheriff Ian Parkinson says some of the eligible include people convicted of car theft, even assault with a deadly weapon without great bodily harm.
Putting people back out on the street that we don't feel are suitable is difficult.
Parkinson and Dow share concerns about a rise in recidivism and the possibility of criminals catching the virus while they're out on zero bail, then spreading it in the jails when they're rebooked.
We have put in a number of safety practices and health practices designed to prevent that, and we have not had a case yet. And we deal with this type of thing really every year during flu season.
And quite frankly, for people that may not have a healthy environment to return to, the jail is probably more safe for them.
Meanwhile, more deputies have been patrolling since the shelter-at-home order took effect.
It had an increase of about 75% more deputies on the street in a 24-hour period.
An effort to keep the peace and comply with the order.
We understand the concern, and that's what we're addressing.
Christina Favuzzi, KSBY News.